What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today is the day. This is going to be part one of the build series, the delivery day. I just got contacted from the truck and driver. He said he's on the way, probably about 30 to 40 minutes out. So far what we did, we readjusted the shop from what you saw from the last video, our update video. We kept the back the same. We put the 240 on the wheel dollies and we pushed it 90 degrees, just sitting over here. So it actually feels like it created a lot more room. We have an organizer for our parts. They're going to be right here. We're probably going to pick up another one the same size and put it exactly right there. So that way we have plenty enough room and we have plenty enough space to work. So next shot you're going to see is when the vehicle actually gets here and we're going to be unloading and loading the shop in. Alright guys, so it's finally here. This is what we've been waiting for, the 35 hot rod truck from Factory 5 Racing. We got a bunch of footage. My brother over there is unhooking his camera that he zip tied together so we can get the shots. But let's do a little walk around and let's take a look at it, what we're going to have to do. So it is coming with a 3-link, a 8.8 rear end from Mosier. It's coming in Friday, but just look at this thing, man. It's so sick. I've been waiting for about 2.5, 3 months for this to start this build. I mean, I kind of been giving hits on it, but at the same time, not really. I just know that if you guys followed me on my Instagram, you probably would have seen this motor come in and how we tore it down, some pictures of that. But other than that, no other videos have came out. But we are restarting everything back up, so this is going to be the first part of the build series, the delivery day, and so on and so forth. But we're super tired from doing this, so what we're going to finish up today is reposition the truck, lift it up fully, pull the body off, put it over there to the little space that we made, try to find the manual so we can start orientating ourselves of where we want to start, or where it's saying to start on this truck. And you know, some body work that has to be, looks like they just glue these together and then just slap it on there. So body work is going to have to be in play. We're going to have to pull these doors off because they just are taped there. And yeah, we can pull the bed off. It just looks like a piece of straight aluminum. And we just pulled the bed off. We're going to also put it over there, and they gave us an envelope, and they said it should be like an inventory envelope of what all is going to be, in what boxes.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
So that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys are excited for the build, and if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, or hit that subscribe button, push that bell so you can get notified in upcoming videos of part 2, part 3, and so on and so forth until this truck is ready to be driven with the 454 big block ready to go. So I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, keep on building and you will see progress. See ya.